Hello viewers, hope everybody is doing well. Today I am visiting at the Brookfield Zoo and I want to show you the birds. Oh my God, he is so adorable. Long time ago I was visit here, but now today the weather is very pleasant in Chicago, and this time hope you like this video. Please like and share and subscribe my channel, and you should please press the bell button, then you will find more videos. You will get more videos. Beautiful colors. How are you? He looks like a sleepy. Hope you will like this video. Please like and share and subscribe and comments. Take care. Bye.